A must-see for mesh bag manufacturers. Double folding and reinforced sewing prevents thread slippage. For mesh bag manufacturers, this cutting and sewing machine provides reinforced bottom sewing for stronger, more secure bag bottoms. It uses synchronized upper and lower mechanical feeding arms to firmly grip the material and prevent slipping during feeding. The cutting section is equipped with a one-touch bag mouth twisting and static elimination function, helping prevent mesh bags from sticking together. The machine performs double folding and automatic sewing, effectively providing a secondary reinforcement for the bag, resulting in stronger and more durable seams. Production capacity can reach approximately 40 bags per minute with automatic bag counting. For detailed specifications, please leave a message in the comments.